Ashika, can you explain your one-on-one coaching program?
Sure. Firstly, I am a business coach who specializes on mindset and profitability. Okay, so I've designed my 1-year program. It's called a Profit Multiplier program. And first, I start off with business health checkup, wherein we understand at this very moment at what stage your business is in. We decide on certain things to be done for the first 5 years, then the 3 years, 1 year, and which are again split into every quarterly goals across 6 functions of the business. Okay, so the 6 functions of the business are business management, marketing, sales, operations, HR, and finance. So we decide on that. This is decided so that you're very clear that we are looking at the long-term goals, we are looking at the short-term goals, both top line as well as bottom lines, along with taking things, putting or giving a proper shape to each function of the business. You know, you're putting systems, you're putting processes, and you're also putting the mechanism to review that whatever that you have implemented, your team is, taking it forward. So this is the entire program in totality. So how it works is, I start with the business health checkup. After that, I have a business alignment workshop that I do with all the directors or partners of the business. The active partners as well as the passive partners. So we align the entire business goals, because my experience is that with multiple partners, all coming from different school of thoughts, their aspirations are different, their goals are different, their likes, dislikes, everything is different. And because of the indifferences or the disalignment between the partners, the business starts, you are not taking decisions and the business starts sinking. So I do an alignment. It's a very psychometric tools we use, and this workshop is planned so that you get the absolute clarity between all the business owner, between all the partners on the common goals across all 6 functions of the business. And then once the alignment is done, we start working on the immediate what actions need to be done, where is the major fire, what are the areas, what are the priorities. Uske upar first we start working on in the initial months. Plus I start working on the mindset, wherein you're open to new challenges, you're open to take risk, you're open to do newer things, you're open to take actions, So that happens, and then week after week the one-on-one coaching happens, where I meet the active directors. 2 to 3 directors I accommodate in a coaching session. It is completely online, and we meet one-on-one basis, and week after week we track the results. So the annual plan is broken into every quarterly plan. The quarterly goal is divided again in the monthly goal, and week after week we decide that okay, to achieve these goals, these are the 3 to 4 actions that we are going to take in the coming week. Then in the next week when we meet, we review the previous week and we plan the next week. So it is by default that when you plan, when you take actions, you will move forward. You might need a course correction, but eventually you will move forward. And when you will start achieving monthly goals, eventually you achieve quarterly goals, and so does it translate in the annual goals. So that is the entire plan. So in the first year, we achieve the top line and bottom line goals while laying systems and processes for all 6 functions. Empower your next in line team so that they start, getting hands in the business, and you start freeing yourself. So that's how it works, and I assure results.